22 human foods that can be toxic to dogs you probably don't know. When your dog is excited and you want to share their food with them. But be careful. Dogs are different from humans, and the truth is that there are some foods that are good for humans but can be harmful or even fatal to them. This makes them even more dangerous if they eat something they shouldn't. Here is a guide to 22 common foods that can be toxic to dogs if eaten in large quantities. Keep these out of their reach and you'll keep them safe. 1. Avocado. Avocados contain a toxin called persin, which is harmless to humans but dangerous to dogs. This can cause fluid to build up in their lungs and chest, leading to difficulty breathing. Not only avocados, you should also be careful not to feed your dogs avocado seeds. 2. Garlic. Garlic contains thiosulfate, a compound that dogs cannot digest. This compound can build up in their blood, causing red blood cells to break down. While you may not feed it directly to your dog, garlic is often found in foods like sauces and marinades. Avoid sharing these with your dog. 3. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are high in fats and nutrients that are beneficial to humans, but are harmful to dogs. Eating macadamia nuts can lead to nausea, diarrhea, weakness, and even temporary paralysis. 4. Chocolate. This is one of the most dangerous foods for dogs. Chocolate contains compounds that dogs cannot process, leading to symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, dehydration, and in severe cases, seizures or death. The severity depends on the type and amount of chocolate consumed, as well as the size and weight of your dog. 5. Xylitol. Commonly found in some fruits, vegetables, candies, chewing gums and even toothpaste, xylitol is safe for humans but toxic to dogs. It can cause blood sugar levels to drop sharply and lead to liver damage. Symptoms include vomiting, weakness and seizures. Be very careful, and keep your dog away from products containing xylitol. 6. Yeast dough. Unbaked dough can cause alcohol poisoning in dogs. Yeast ferments in their stomachs, producing ethanol, which is absorbed into their bloodstream. This can lead to bloating, severe discomfort and pain. While not always fatal, it can be extremely unpleasant for your dog. 7. Cooked bones. Cooked bones are more likely to splinter into small pieces, which can injure a dog's mouth and digestive tract. In severe cases, they can lead to gastritis or intestinal perforation. Raw bones are generally safer, but always supervise your dog when chewing any type of bone. 8. Raisins and grapes. Even small amounts of raisins or grapes can cause kidney failure in dogs. Symptoms include excessive thirst and decreased urination. Avoid giving your dog any baked goods or snacks that contain raisins or grapes. This small action could save their life. 9. Caffeine. Coffee, tea, and even some soft drinks contain caffeine, which can dangerously increase a dog's heart rate and cause irregular heartbeats or lung failure. It doesn't take much caffeine to harm a dog, just a few sips can be fatal. Symptoms include restlessness, vomiting, and diarrhea. Keep caffeinated beverages away from your dog if you don't want them to be in danger. Remember, sharing food with your dog may seem like a loving act, but not all human foods are safe for them. 10. Rhubarb. Rhubarb is a sweet vegetable that is often used in cooking and baking. You may find it roasted, sautéed, stewed, or pureed in dishes like ice cream, pancakes, or cocktails. While it is completely safe for humans, it is not suitable for dogs. This vegetable contains oxalic acid, which can lead to kidney failure in dogs. Warning signs include excessive drooling, diarrhea, vomiting, tremors, blood in the urine, or extreme thirst. To keep your dog safe, keep them away from rhubarb-infused treats. Instead, choose a dog-friendly snack. 11. Leeks and onions. Similar to garlic, leeks and onions can damage a dog's red blood cells, leading to severe anemia. Symptoms can take days to appear, making it difficult to determine the cause without veterinary testing. While these are not typical dog treats, they may find them fun to chew on. Keep all onions and leeks out of reach. 12. Alcohol. You should never give your dog alcohol, but it is not only found in drinks but also in products like mouthwash, detergents, and perfumes. Even small amounts of alcohol can be fatal to dogs, causing symptoms like vomiting, poor coordination, and difficulty breathing. Experts estimate that as little as 8 milliliters of pure alcohol per kilogram of body weight can cause death within 12 to 24 hours. Be vigilant and keep all products containing alcohol away from your dog. 13. Salt. Too much salt can lead to salt poisoning in dogs. Consuming just 2 teaspoons per pound of body weight, or 4 grams per kilogram, can be fatal. Symptoms include depression, tremors, diarrhea, vomiting, fever, and seizures. If you enjoy salty snacks like chips or pretzels, stop sharing them with your dog. 14. Orange oil. While oranges are safe to eat, cold-pressed orange oil, often used medicinally or as an essential oil, can be dangerous for dogs. These oils can cause liver failure. Keep orange oil and essential oils out of reach of dogs and never apply them directly to the skin, as they may lick them off. 15. Dairy. Most dogs are lactose intolerant, meaning milk, cheese, or other dairy products can upset their stomachs. While not usually fatal, they can cause diarrhea, vomiting, and other gastrointestinal problems. Severe cases may even require a trip to the vet. 16. Cat food. Cat food may seem like a substitute for dog food, but the nutritional needs of cats and dogs are different. Cats need a meat-heavy diet, while dogs thrive on a mixture of meat, vegetables, and grains. Occasional cat food may not harm your dog, but frequent consumption can cause indigestion and long-term health problems. 17. Bacon. Dogs love bacon, but bacon is high in fat and salt, which can cause pancreatitis, a painful inflammation of the pancreas. Symptoms include vomiting and diarrhea, which require immediate veterinary attention. Keep bacon, fat scraps, and fatty meats away from your dog to avoid potential health problems. 18. Tobacco. Nicotine poisoning can occur if your dog chews on cigarettes, cigars, or nicotine patches. Dogs love to chew on random objects, and tobacco products are no exception. Symptoms of nicotine poisoning include restlessness, vomiting, and in severe cases, paralysis. If treated promptly, most dogs will recover, but if delayed, it can be fatal. 19. Nutmeg. Nutmeg contains myristicin, a compound that can cause hallucinations and seizures in dogs. While small amounts in baked goods are usually harmless, larger amounts can be toxic. Make sure your dog does not have access to spice containers or loose nutmeg. 20. Peaches. Peach seeds contain amygdalin, which releases cyanide into the bloodstream if chewed. Peach seeds can also cause choking, especially in small dogs. Always dispose of peach seeds safely and avoid letting your dog eat them. 21. Mustard. While a small amount of mustard is unlikely to be fatal, it can cause significant abdominal pain. In fact, veterinarians sometimes use mustard to induce vomiting. Mustard seeds have a similar problem. Avoid feeding your dog any food that contains mustard. 22. Fat scraps. While dogs may enjoy fat scraps from meat, these scraps can lead to diarrhea, vomiting, or even pancreatitis. In some cases, high-fat foods can cause blood poisoning. If you are trimming fat from meat, throw it in the trash, not in your dog's bowl. Dogs have different nutritional needs than humans, and many foods that are good for humans can be harmful to them. It is best to only use foods and treats specifically designed for dogs. If you want to share something special, consult your veterinarian for appropriate food options.